Comments in Python. Comments in Python can be used to explain parts of the code. It can also be used to hide the code as well. Comments enable us to understand the way a program works. In Python, any statement starting with hash symbol is known as a comment. Python does not execute comments. Comments are not a part of the program, but they do enhance the interactivity of the program and make it readable. Python supports two types of comments, single-line comment and multi-line comment. Single-line comment. In case a user wants to specify a single-line comment, then comment must start with a symbol hash. Example, multiple-line comment. Python does not have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-line comment, you could insert a hash for each line. Example, however, the text written inside triple quotes is also considered as comment. You can use the triple quotes to write multi-line comments. For example, operators. In Python, operators can be defined as special symbols which perform arithmetic and logical computation. The values which the operators use to get the output are called operands. For example, in the expression 10 minus 5, 10 and 5 are operands and the minus sign is the operator. Python divides the operators in the following categories. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators perform arithmetic operations between two operands. The arithmetic operators are defined in the following table. Operator, name, description, example, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. Output. Addition. Adds values on either side of the operator. X plus y, 10. Subtraction. Subtracts right-hand operand from left-hand operand. X minus y, 4. Multiplication. Multiplies values on either side of the operator. X multiplied y, 21. Division. Divides left-hand operand by right-hand operand. X divided y, 2.33. Modulus. Divides left-hand operand by right-hand operand and returns remainder. X modulus y, 1. Exponentiation. Performs exponential power calculation on operands. X exponentiation y, 343. Floor or integer division. Divides and cuts the fractional part from the result. X floor divided y, 2. Program 1. To perform all the arithmetic operators. The result of the above program is assignment operators. The assignment operators are used to assign the value of the right expression to the left operand. The assignment operators are described in the following table. Operator, name, description, example. Assignment. It assigns the value of operand on the right side to the left side operand. X is equal to 5. Addition assignment. It adds right operand to the left operand and assigns the result to left operand. X plus is equal to 3 is equivalent to x is equal to x plus 3. X plus is equal to 3. Subtraction assignment. It subtracts right operand from the left operand and assigns the result to left operand. X minus is equal to 3 is equivalent to x is equal to x minus 3. X minus is equal to 3. Multiplication assignment. It multiplies right operand with the left operand and assigns the result to left operand. X multiplies is equal to 3 is equivalent to x is equal to x multiplies 3. X multiplied is equal to 3. Division assignment. It divides left operand with the right operand and assigns the result to left operand. X divided is equal to 3 is equivalent to x is equal to x divided 3. X divided is equal to 3. Remainder assignment. It takes modulus of operands and assigns the result to left operand. X% is equal to 3 is equivalent to x is equal to x% 3. X% is equal to 3. Floor division assignment. It performs floor division on operators and assigns the value to the left operand. X floor division is equal to 3 is equivalent to x is equal to x floor divided 3. X floor division is equal to 3. Exponentiation assignment. It performs exponential power calculation on operators and assigns the value to the left operand. X exponentiation is equal to 3 is equivalent to x is equal to x exponentiation 3. X exponentiation is equal to 3. Program 2. To perform all the assignment operators, the output of the above program is logical operators. Logical operators are used to evaluate and decide. Python supports the following logical operators: operator, name, description, example x is equal to 2, output, and it returns true if both operands are true. X less than 5 and x less than 10, true, or it returns true if one of the operands is true. X less than 5 or x less than 2, true. Not. It reverses the result, returns false if the returns is true or vice versa. Not x less than 5 and x less than 10, false. Program 3. To perform all the logical operators. The result of the above program will be relational operator. Relational operators are used to compare the value of the two operands and returns true or false accordingly. The relational operators are described in the following table: operator, name, description, example, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6, output, equal. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X equals y, false. Not equal. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, then the condition becomes true. X not equals to y, true. Greater than. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X greater than y, true. Less than. It checks if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X less than y, false. Greater than or equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X greater than equal to y, true. Less than or equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X less than equal to y, false. Program 4. To show all the relational operators functions. The result of the above program is precedence of operators. Precedence of operators determines the order in which the operators are executed. The operator precedence in Python is listed in the given table. The highest precedence is at the top. The following table shows the precedence of operators in Python. Operator, name, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, modulo, floor division, addition, subtraction, comparison, assignment, logical. Some more programs. Program 5. To subtract two numbers entered by the user. Program 6. To calculate the average marks of 3 subjects. Program 7. To calculate the volume and surface area of cylinder.